Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video of Sketchup tutorial series. In this lecture, I will just show that how we'll use rectangle option perfectly and how we'll utilize that in maximum way. So let's start. And before starting, I'm just requesting you, if you're new to our channel, then you can watch our previous lecture about Sketchup and about many other software that link are given in description. And also, if you're new here, subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. So I'm just opening our software. Suppose, first of all, how we'll actually use rectangular option. So they have two options. They have one and they have another. Okay, they have one and they have another. So how we'll just use that rectangle option perfectly, right? So to use that rectangle option, I'll just click here. I'll just click here. Now, suppose if you simply click left click, then again left click, see here your rectangle is here, and simply at middle or at anywhere you can draw your another rectangle. And one thing, remember that if you draw rectangle and here they have a line, that will be automatically subdivided. Okay, they will be automatically subdivided, right? So if you see here, that line have subdivided automatically. So actually, and suppose here if you want to draw a line in perfect dimension, so here suppose how we'll do that actually. So suppose I need to draw a rectangle that length is 16 and its width is 10 inch 6 feet and 10 feet. Okay, so what we'll do actually, first of all I'll just give here 16 apostrophe comma 10 apostrophe, then enter. So see here, this is your rectangle at any dimension. Sorry. Now if you need to draw a rectangle like 25 apostrophe feet comma 20 or 35 apostrophe 35 feet, then enter. So here is the rectangle, and you can draw rectangle in any phase. Actually we have drawn that rectangle, okay, in one phase. Now we can draw rectangle in any phase. So what we'll do actually to draw rectangle in any phase, suppose you can zoom it like that, and here you can draw rectangle face. Okay, you can draw rectangle face as per that direction. Okay, so if you see here, that rectangle is perpendicular to that red line. Okay, see that face. Now if you need to draw that rectangle in blue face, then what will do actually, come here, here like that, then click here, then okay, now move that. Now see here, this is your rectangle. So, okay, and similarly you can draw rectangle here like that. So this is the way to draw rectangle. And if you want to draw rectangle in that face, then that is also possible. Okay, see here, simply draw a rectangle. Just see here, a rectangle have created. Now if you want to create rectangle here, that also possible to draw rectangle any face. If you want to draw rectangle here, that are also possible. Okay, just move it little bit, then that is possible. Okay, and here also you can draw rectangle. Actually, as you need, you can draw rectangle, and where do you need, you can draw rectangle as per your requirement. Just see here, right? Anywhere you can draw rectangle, they have no problem actually. And if you want to move that, suppose here they have a line. Now if you press up arrow, Okay, if we use arrow, actually this, if we use up arrow, then our line will be perpendicular to that blue line, right? So that not fact in which direction you are moving your mouse, it will always create a face, or it will create a rectangle in blue face, right? And if you take your mouse here, and if you give your mouse in left arrow, I mean if you press left arrow after pressing, then it will create a rectangle in, I mean perpendicular to blue face, right? So here, like that. Is it clear? And if you take your mouse here, and after that if you press right, then it will create a rectangle, in right face, I mean in red face. Just see here, in this way we can do that how much we need actually, right? And if I click here, and after that if I press down, then it will create a rectangle perpendicular to the previous rectangle. So here we have created a previous rectangle, and perpendicular to that rectangle, I mean the perpendicular to that rectangle, it will create a rectangle actually. So here, just see here, this rectangle is perpendicular to that rectangle. So I hope that was okay. Okay, I hope that was okay, and you are able to use your rectangle perfectly. And I hope you'll be able to use the rectangle, that how we'll use and how we'll utilize that in real project. When we'll do real project, then I'll show you about that. So thank you for being with me, and thank you with being with School of Civil Engineering. Your support are inspiring us very much. So thank you very much. And even if you didn't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe.